Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So if you were looking to remove the front bumper on your Mini F54, you've come to the right place. So we've got a super simple video on how to remove your front bumper. So if you need to get to your intercooler, crash beam, something behind that bumper, or you just want to upgrade, whether it's the grills, etc., we'll show you how to remove that bumper. Okay, so firstly you want to pop the bonnet. We're going to get the two 10mm bolts out of this, and then we'll go through the Torx bits across the top of the grill. So I think they're T30, so we can get those undone as well. Okay, so first of all, we've got two 10mm bolts holding in the snorkel. Let's get those out. Now mine wasn't quite on properly because it's literally being replaced with my eventual one, so we just threw that on. Okay, next we've got the T30 Torx bit, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take these out next. Again, these might be a little bit stiffer on your car just because these have just been out, because I've replaced the front bumper and grill already. And there's just one, which is the opposite to the one on the other one. Okay, so next we're going to come to the underside of the bumper and show you what we're doing. So if you look, just here, and then all the way along. I've got a few missing on mine because I knew I was doing this job. But there are basically 8mm bolts all the way along. You just need to come and take all of those out. So they just run across the bottom of this front lip and stop the bumper moving forward. So we'll just get them out now. Okay, so we'll just get our 8mm and we'll come down. And we start right in this far corner. And you'll be able to just see them all. And it's pretty much the same process for every bumper on these. Right. Actually, a lot of mine were missing, which is fine because we knew this bumper was coming back off again. So you would have about 8 roughly across that underside. Then we'll come round to the corners. Okay, so we're coming down to this front bumper, and you can see here, because I know I was doing this job, I left these unclipped when I was putting the arch on. But all you do is you have these 3 that go in, and you get a plastic trim tool, and you sort of pop it in that gap, or you can little screwdriver with a cloth, and just pop each one of these out. So you just go along, put a little pressure. You're just pushing this little tab down here. So just this little bit, that'll be clipped in. So we're coming loose. Then as we come up the arch, there is a clip just here. And all we do, pull that out. And it's easy. If you look down and in, look where the clip is. Put your fingers around it so they come out easier. And it's to get to this 10mm bolt. So there's just a 10mm bolt here and a 10mm bolt the other side as well. We need to just drop those out. So again, we get in with our 10mm. Then we just repeat that on the other side. And you can see already the bumper's trying to move. It's nice and loose already. We'll go the other side. Okay, so again, this front corner's got to come off. Now, it looks like we might even be able to just pull, if not, trim tool in. Can you even get to it? I don't know if you can get to it from the back side of the bumper. There we go, and pull those out. So we can see here, mine was only held in with one because the previous, basically, owner had broken all of this bit of trim. Okay, so we drop that 10mm out. That should be nearly ready to come out. Now, there are a couple of bolt points as well. Again, 8 to 10mm in the arch. There's 1, 2 that I can see, and a little plastic clip. So you just take those out, each of the arches as well. Okay, so we can see in the wheel arch here, think it's an 8. Yeah, we've got an 8mm just down here, and then another one up here. So let's whip those out, and that's the same again on both sides. One. And then the other one. You can see already the bumper's ready to come off. Okay, so once we've undone all of that, we should be able to pull the bumper away from the car, unplug the fog lights, and we should be good. Okay, yeah, and that should be bumper off the car. Hopefully you found that video simple to follow. So it's not too bad trying to remove the front bumper. It's the arches that are probably the worst bit. But if you found it useful, please hit that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.